The owner set up beds for the three dogs. At first, two of them quickly found their spots and settled in, even though there was plenty of room left. The third dog insisted on squeezing right between the other two, so the owner brought out a bigger mattress, hoping all three dogs could sleep comfortably. But surprisingly, that dog squeezed in again. Then the owner tried something else, bringing out two separate mattresses, but the third dog just wouldn't sleep alone. That's when it finally clicked for the owner. These three dogs had grown up together and had always slept snuggled up close since they were puppies. The bond between them was just too strong to break.